Today's topic we are going to see about stack. Stack is a linear data structures which follows first in last out mechanism or last in first out mechanism. So queue and stack both are linear data structures which covers in second unit. So stack is an ordered collection of elements like an arrays, but it has a special features that has a for a deletion and insertion. It has a specific place for performing these two operations that is called top of the stack. So in stack there is two important operations are there, push and pop. So both operations are performed at the top of. In stack, there is two important operations. One is called push and another one is called pop. So push means inserting the new element into the stack and pop means delete the element from the stack. So both these operations are performed at the top of the place. If the stack is initially empty, so the top value will be a -1. If we want to insert new element into the stack, we have to increase the top value by 1. So consider a stack consists of a size of 5. So here we need to insert the new element. So initially top value will be a -1. If you want to insert the new element, you have to increase the top by 1. That means top equal to top plus 1. So see this example. So this is our like stack. So both push and pop will be performed in the same place, that is called top of the stack. So the top is placed in that particular place. We can perform insertion and deletion operations. So in stack there is two exceptional conditions are available. So one is overflow and another one is underflow. So overflow condition is checked before inserting the new element and underflow condition will be checked before deleting the element from the stack. So both conditions should be checked before performing our stack operations. So we will see about these conditions one by one. So while inserting into the push, the condition for before inserting the element into the stack. So here we have two conditions. In if we can check whether the top value is equal to size -1. So that means if the stack is full means the top value is pointing to the fourth index. So the size of the stack is 5. So top value will be placed at the fourth index and size will be 5 means, so the condition is top equal to size -1. That means 4 equal to 4. So the condition is satisfied. If the top is pointing to the last index of the stack means the stack is full and we cannot insert the new element into the stack. That is called overflow condition will occur. So if there is any space, so then automatically else condition will be executed. So in else condition we just increase the top value by 1. That means top equal to top plus 1 and we can insert the new element. So this is the condition for push operation in stack. So like this pop, first we need to check whether the underflow condition is occur or not. So under flow conditions we need to check the top value is equal to -1 or not. So here the condition is if top equal to minus means the stack does not have any value, so it is pointing to the empty stack. So it is the meaning of underflow. So if this condition is satisfied, the underflow will condition is printed. Else the top value, we have to decrement the top value by 1, that is top equal to top -1. So the values the top will be decremented by 1. So the top of the element will be deleted from the stack. So these are the two important operations in a stack. And another one operation, we can display the stack values. So using for loop we can set the range from our starting index value to ending index, and we can print the stack of the value using their specific index. We can get the values. This is the operations about stack. Thank you.